What is up, guys? Fabrizio Van Marciano here, coming to you with a very quick vlog. I'm out and about with the family. I'm just waiting for my wife and my daughter. They've just gone and done a little bit of shopping. So I'm just sat here waiting for them. But anyway, I thought it would be a great opportunity for me to take the Lumix G7 camera out and about today. I don't ever take it outside of my office. I use it mainly indoors for creating vlogs and various other videos, but rarely do I ever take it out. So I thought, being such a beautiful day today, it's a bank holiday, Monday, which is a public holiday here in the UK, and yeah, so I thought I'd take the Lumix G7 out and about and get some video footage and test it outside, and also capture some images as well. I am using very basic settings. I just have one single setting which I use for vlogging indoors. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. So guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog episode, and I'm back in my office now at home. And I really enjoyed taking the Lumix G7 out and capturing some videos and taking some still images. Again, this is something that I rarely do. I use it mainly indoors, but yeah, it was a lot of fun and spending time with the family as well, so it's all good. Now, I just want to kind of talk about some of the things, some of the accessories that I use. Unfortunately, the stabilization on the Lumix G7 is not that great. So to kind of compensate for that, I use a little attachment which is screws at the bottom of the camera so I can hold it about. This improves the stabilization just a little bit, not a great deal, but some of the footage that I took on the beach with my daughter, I use this grip handle type of thing. The camera kind of attaches to here and the microphone up here, and I kind of go around and kind of film like that. That really helps. That improves the stabilization a lot more. Not 100%, there's still a little bit of shakiness, but not as much as there would be if I kind of handheld my camera and recorded my footage that way. So yeah, it does help with stabilization. The filters that I mentioned earlier, again, they're Gobe. These little filters here, they're pretty decent. I only use one filter, which is the UV lens filter. And you know, it's not necessary, but I use it to kind of block out some excessive lens flare and also to protect my stock lens as well. I don't want it to get damaged or anything, so that's the only reason why I use the filter, the lens filter. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put this together and put out an episode. You guys will probably watch it by the time I'm done with this. If you have any questions related to the Lumix G7, please leave your comments below. I'm still learning about this camera because I don't use it outside or for any other use other than to create vlogs. I haven't really dived into the settings and such. I have played around with them. I have some custom settings that I use mainly for vlogging, but other than that, I kind of need to spend some time exploring some of the options. I know there's a lot to this camera from what I've seen on other YouTube videos. But yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, or any questions regarding some of the accessories that I use as well. Guys, if you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and also the notifications bell. Check out some of my other videos as well as vlogs. I create a lot of WordPress website design tutorials, reviews, and all the rest of it. If you want to learn more about what I do, head over to my website at www.fabriziovanmarciano.com. I will have a link below in the description for you to check it out. And that is it. The sun is shining. I may take the camera out again today and get some extra footage for a future video. But until the next video, guys, take it easy and peace. Cheers.